Hello Seo, this is Paul from VeriForm. Hey, thanks for the email. So I want to show you, we actually did all these pieces. You see the formed aluminum? So we did these for a bridge just outside of Cambridge. You can here see closer, see? So all these pieces were done here at my company. And of course, the important thing was that all the aluminum was the same all the way down, so that no matter where you looked, it always had this fish shape. All right, so we did this whole bridge. It's just on Waterloo Region Road 28, outside of Cambridge, where Blair is. So that was about 20 minutes from our shop. Okay, so your email is perfect. And as I'm going to write an email here, I'll show you. In the email, I'm asking that you must be asking us also to cut and form the channel, which we can do. We have 6 different press brakes that are vertical press brakes, and we can cut and form those channels. In your email, you said to me, if you can bend any of these shapes, or are you supplying the shapes? That's another question. So we can cut and form them. That's not an issue at all. But maybe you are just supplying it already. Also, just so I know, what is the material type and oh, I see, you've got 80 thou wall, but I don't see the material. If you can let me know the material type, okay? All right, thanks, Theo.